Water is green and solvent is bad. Or is it? Yes, this water is green. Is that what you have in mind when you think about green cleaning? Many people associate water-based cleaning with being green. But this is not necessarily the case, because water itself doesn't clean. It's often only a transport vehicle. Just like when you clean your oily dishes at home, you also need soap, right? Aqueous cleaner actually consists of many different additives to increase cleaning efficiency. Now that we know that water itself doesn't clean, let's talk about two further aspects to clear up any misconceptions about solvent cleaning. The first is biodegradability. Most modified alcohols in the market for industrial parts cleaning are biodegradable. Isn't that green? The second aspect is resource efficiency. Let's talk about water, cleaner, and energy. As you all know, water is a precious resource. When using solvent cleaning, no water is used at all. When it comes to cleaner consumption, the solvent can be recycled and distilled in the closed machine, and with this it can be reused over and over again. This results in very low solvent consumption. There are industry applications where there is no need for bath exchange for more than 10 years. With closed cleaning equipment, we also have virtually no solvent emission or solvent loss. In comparison, many aqueous machines are not equipped with a distillation unit. Because dirts and soils are emulsified and rinsed off in aqueous cleaning, the bath might have to be exchanged frequently when not treated properly. Lastly, when it comes to energy requirements, water requires 10 times more energy to dry than solvent. This is why aqueous cleaning often has more complicated drying procedures, like heaters or blowers. In solvent cleaning, parts are already dry when they come out of the machine due to the vacuum drying process. So, is water always green and solvent always bad? You can decide. In case you want to know how solvent cleaning can increase the sustainability of your cleaning process, we will be addressing this in our next video.